Good, and you?
You're sweet enough for me.
My friends wonder what is wrong with me. And I'm in a day. You let me see. I can't wait to let you know. I can't go. Some people go around the world for love. But they never find what you want.
Thank you. This way, y'all. All right, y'all. I have kids, 3 of the 4, and we are
Hey, that's
heading.
a kid on my bus.
It just ran right in front of that car, right in front of this car. But anyways, we are heading to the field for Landon's first baseball game of the spring season. You got it? All right.
Let's go, bud.
Go, Landon!
Foul ball, foul ball. Get it, Landon. Good throw. Get your bat, Landon. Get your bat. Get your bat.
You see Waylon? Casey, get it! Go, Casey! Over here. Go, Casey! Higher pace. Go, Casey! Good job. But anywho, heading to pay a bill first. We're gonna turn on Spark till about 11:30 and see what we catch, okay? Immediately I was thrown this one, which is a 3 drop off from where I'm at, a total of 27 miles for $34. Not prime, but something to get me started that has a majority pay of that versus tips. So we're gonna go ahead and get over here. Let's see if it'll let me confirm, because I'm already in the parking lot. We are in spot number 28 and all orders in. Alright, done scanning.
Not believe in God, but they fear us just the same.
This one's literally 1 bag.
Don't you?